It's Swag World, guys. Hi, you guys. Down below, if you want to let my way, come down the slide. Right, guys?
Right.
On my town. Happy Easter.
Easter weekend just passed, so now we're gonna go back to opening our Riley World videos. And today she's choosing from, what is that one? What's this one?
You make some tapes.
It's called Play-Doh.
It's called Play-Doh.
Shape and Learn.
And this one is called.
And this one is Create Your Own Lighted Dough Princesses.
And what's the best one I picked from the
So we're gonna pick, and we're gonna hide it underneath these two, and then Riley's gonna see which one she's doing today. Okay?
Okay, but I just read them.
So we have two surprises, one or two, and Riley's gonna pick which one she likes. Okay? Okay, which one do you want to open?
This one.
Okay, let's see what you got.
I got Play-Doh.
So we're gonna do the Play-Doh one.
Yes, I like the video.
Okay, if you're excited, like the video.
Yes, I like the video.
What's inside the box?
It comes with two toys. And it's 20 Play-Doh.
Comes with all your shapes.
Yeah, 20 Play-Doh.
With 8 Play-Dohs.
And some Play-Doh.
Anything else?
And this is ones. Can you open it for me?
Okay, Matt? Open the shapes first. Repeat after me, okay? Say roller, triangle. What color is that? Red triangle. What color is this? What color is it? A purple heart. What's this? And what circle? I mean, it's a circle. What color is this? Can you say oval? What color is this? Brown. Can you say rectangle? What color is this? Orange. Say orange square. What color is this? Can you say star, a blue star? This one is a black diamond. Can you see it up? What color is that? Good. That's the purple. What color is that one? This one is yellow. This one is. This one is. This one is red. This one is. This one is. And this one is. A dog. See it up? It's kind of good. So show them you can make pretty playmat with the rainbows,
Yeah,
sun, house, and trees. Or we can do shapes. Or we can learn our colors and shapes.
Or these.
Or we mix stuff out of shapes.
Yeah,
Let's start with making shapes.
I want like brown. You can make some shapes. A square orange.
Okay, we're gonna do square orange. Where's the orange one?
Here.
Good job.
Thank Oh, I mean,
green oval. So which one's a green oval over there? Pick your shape. A green oval.
Green oval right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's roll it. Make it bigger. Oh. Do you recording me? Yeah. Yeah. Green level. Like green level.
Okay. Does it fit?
Can we fit now?
It fits. Push it down.
A green level.
Green oval.
A green level.
Good job.
Now, we have to go to purple one.
A red triangle.
A red triangle.
Which one's red?
Right
Here.
here. Here. This is red.
Red. We're gonna make a red triangle. Can you find me the red triangle shape?
Yeah. It's right
Where's the
there.
red shape?
Red shape.
A red triangle.
A red
Good job.
triangle.
A red triangle. Roll it.
I'm doing it. Easter?
Oh.
Oh.
Your red triangle. As long as it has 1, 2, 3 sides, you're okay. Okay, what color's next? Which one's next, Riley? Which one's this one?
Yellow.
A yellow circle. Can you?
Where?
Does it have a plan?
Where?
Now where's the yellow circle?
Circle?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little circle.
Good now? Oh, you did it upside down. Good job putting your yellow circle. Now what's next?
See what me?
Okay, what color is
Blue.
it? Blue what?
A blue star.
Mm-hmm.
It's right here.
A blue Play-Doh. And what about the blue star shape?
It's star shape. Star shape. It's right here. We're making a star. Hey, Mom, see, it's so hard.
Need help?
How's it is so hard? And see the blues are to fit now. Think it's ready. Think it's ready now, guys. Mom, how am I take it out? A star. A star. That's a good. See, Mommy.
A purple heart.
Hard. Here.
Cool. And where's the purple heart?
Here.
Good job.
Yeah.
What color are you doing?
Purple.
Purple heart.
Purple heart. Mom, Mom got to take it out. And her again. Mom.
My good mom.
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
And we have
Okay, purple.
purple. Yeah.
Okay, roll it.
Hair is so sticky, Mom. Hair is so
purple heart.
Purple heart. Hey, this is round. Take them. Put it back in there.
Okay, now we have to do a brown rectangle.
We're here.
And where's the brown rectangle?
Here.
Brown. What shape are you making?
I'm making this one.
So a rectangle.
A rectangle. We just always do this last year and we recorded it. And I do this one. Go here. Here. This one.
Last one.
This one now. This one now. Open it.
Wow, black diamond.
Diamonds.
You finished
Here.
it.
No. Here. I need all these
You
shapes.
made all the shapes.
I need all the shapes.
Can you tell me the colors? This one?
Orange,
This one?
green,
This one?
purple,
What color are the rockets?
purple,
Red.
red, yellow, blue, purple, black,
Brown.
brown, black,
Good job. So it says blue star,
star,
purple heart,
purple heart,
black diamond.
black diamond,
So blue star,
blue star,
purple heart,
purple heart,
and black diamond.
black diamond. That's not map there.
Yeah. There's the pattern. Orange square,
What's fair?
green oval. Orange square. Look, Riley. Green oval. Oh, we need an orange square.
On where?
Right there.
There. Right
Right there.
there.
Orange square, green oval. Orange square, green oval. Now this one. Yellow.
Red triangle. We're here.
Right here.
We're here.
Hmm? So
Okay.
yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow,
found it.
red. Orange,
We're
green,
brown.
orange, green,
We're brown now.
orange, green. How did you like your Play-Doh set?
Okay, this is good.
How do you like your Play-Doh set?
My playset is good. It is super fun. And I love it. So I'd rather put them back.
You ready to put it away?
Yeah. So I have opened that one too. I have fun with you guys. I have learned safe with you, but guys. I'm going to say review. I encourage it review. So I have put them back in my box.